Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Chettinad chicken curry. Chettinad chicken curry is famous for its unique blend of spices including cumin, coriander, fennel, cinnamon and dried red chilies, which creates a rich, spicy and flavorful taste. It is also a traditional dish from the Chettinad region of Tamil Nadu, India, and is considered a staple of the local cuisine. The dish's popularity is due to its aromatic and flavorful taste. It can be made with chicken, mutton or fish and served with rice or chapati. Overall, Chettinad chicken curry is a popular dish for its authentic regional roots, spicy and satisfying flavor. Let's start the recipe. Take half kg of chicken. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 or 2 tablespoon of curd and salt as per your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now mix well and marinate it for 1 hour in refrigerator. If you are new to my channel, subscribe Shalini Foods and hit bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 5 red chilies, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin, 3 cardamom, 4 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and half tablespoon of black pepper. Dry roast them on low heat. Switch off the flame when they turn aromatic. Let them cool completely. Here I am preparing dry coconut powder. You can store this coconut powder and use for different curries. Now add roasted spices and 1/4 cup of dry coconut powder. Add little water and grind into fine paste. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes and grind into fine paste. Now in a vessel add 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 bay leaf and 1 chopped medium-sized onion. Saute until onion turns light brown. Don't forget to refrigerate the chicken for 1 hour before cooking. Fry the chicken for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add grinded masala paste. Add few curry leaves. Adjust salt as per your taste. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, add half cup of water. Now close and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Tasty Chettinad chicken curry is ready. You can serve with rice or chapati, roti, naan. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More non-veg recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe Shalini Foods and hit bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.